Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's thrilling story is about a doctor who became part of a deadly game between the CIA and Al-Qaeda. When a double agent turns out to be a triple agent, stay tuned. You are watching Labbil Wab, Her Hakikat. Humam Khalil al-Balawi was born on December 25, 1977 in Kuwait. His family was poor and he was one of 9 siblings. On August 2, 1990, when Iraq invaded Kuwait, Balawi's family had to flee like thousands of others. They migrated to Jordan and lived in refugee camps.
In Jordan, Balawi got good educational opportunities and graduated successfully. He then studied medicine at Istanbul University in Turkey and returned to Jordan. He specialized in medicine at the University of Jordan and completed his house job at a medical center run by the Muslim Brotherhood. But the trauma of his childhood and refugee. In 2007, Balawi started writing jihadist blogs under the alias Abu Dujan al-Khwarizmi, publishing anti-American and extremist content. These blogs spread radical messages to thousands of readers. The American site Intelligence Monitoring Group began tracking Balawi's activities. They discovered that Abu Dujan al-Khwarizmi was actually Humam al-Balawi himself. In 2009, Jordanian intelligence arrested Balawi. He was taken to a secret location and interrogated for several days. Us and Jordanian intelligence understood his mental trauma and past hardships, realizing they could turn him into a double agent. Balawi was offered release in exchange for becoming a double agent. He agreed and began providing information on Al-Qaeda online networks.
Part 2.
Balawi was sent to Pakistan, and drone strikes were carried out based on the information he provided. He identified over 15 supposed Al-Qaeda hideouts. In November 2009, Balawi claimed he had met Al-Qaeda Deputy Chief Ayman al-Zawahiri and was treating him for health issues. CERN invited Balawi to Camp Chapman in Afghanistan to plan the capture or assassination of al-Zawahiri. American, Jordanian, and Afghan officers attended the meeting. On December 30, 2009, moments before the meeting, Balawi carried out a suicide bombing. 10 people were killed and 6 injured. It was the biggest loss in CIA's history. It was later revealed that Balawi was not a CIA agent but an Al-Qaeda agent. He fed false information to protect Al-Qaeda and ultimately targeted CIA officers. The Camp Chapman attack became a deep wound for the CIA. Afterward, the agency strengthened its double agent screening process. The shocking story. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and share it.